It's said that ancient Chinese armies used paper to make armor, and its hardness even surpassed that of contemporary Western iron armor. Could Genghis Khan have charged into Europe wearing paper armor? To test this myth, the team reached out to an archaeologist and learned that ancient China had a highly developed paper-making industry. Records of paper armor date back to the Tang and Song dynasties, but its protective effectiveness had yet to be fully tested. Based on historical records, Tory layered mulberry bark paper together and bonded it with resin. Kelly wrapped the paper in cotton fabric and stitched it together. Then, Grant used a hydraulic press to test the hardness of the paper armor and found that both versions offered very little defense. However, when they simply folded the paper a few times, it surprisingly withstood the pressure of the machine. To compare the defensive capabilities of paper armor with iron armor, Grant built an automatic swing arm machine. This machine mimicked the speed of a human arm in an attack. They tested it with a standard katana. When the katana struck the dirt, it created a 1-inch deep wound. With iron armor, the sword only left a shallow mark on the surface of the dirt. When they switched to paper armor, the sword only cut through 2 or 3 layers of paper, and the indentations on the dirt weren't as deep. Next, they tested it with ancient, high-powered bows. The iron armor was pierced through by the arrow, with the arrow sinking 0.3 inches into the dirt. The paper armor was also pierced, but the resulting wound in the dirt was much shallower, proving that paper armor could offer protection comparable to iron. Finally, they decided to make a full set of paper armor and test it on a real person. How would the paper armor perform in a real-world test?